Hello people, this is MrBoJack and this is for the love of the drone. We have the Splashdrone 4. We're going to take it for a flight in the rain. We got some 45-mile-an-hour wind gusts. We got we're just going to see how it does in the rain. We're just waiting to get GPS satellites. SwellPro says that this thing will fly in rain, snow, all of that. So I'm not going to edit this. I'm not going to cut it. So what you see is what you get. SwellPro, welcome to Chicago. This your test. I'm going to start it up. We got 12 satellites. Got 10 satellites in the controller. There we go. Left off. So far, she's holding good in the rain. Picture is steady. We're going to record a little bit. Start our recording process. We're going to turn her that way where we know. We're going to just take her up and go see what she does. I got my, so you guys know, I got my Samsung Galaxy S20. So you guys are seeing exactly what I'm seeing. Now please take into advice that SwellPro is before they ship, they're gonna take taking some pretty good damn pictures in the now, as you know, this runs off of 5G, so we're gonna kick it up a little bit. We're gonna go up a little bit, go to about where the wind can push it around. See how the wind pushes it around. Take it up to about 60 meters. That gimbal is nice and steady, guys. That gimbal is nice and steady. So we're just going to pan around. We're going to give a good shot of downtown. So we're going to swing around. Now that's downtown Chicago. We're gonna swing back around. Like I said, SwellPro is working on the app, doing updates regularly. So, I just wanted to see how it fly in the wind and the rain. We got a nice little wind gust up there. And she's fucking rock solid, guys. I mean, she is really rock solid. That picture is nice. I say it's all right. What you say? Gonna level it out. You guys let the train come past. There's a train there. Unfortunately, I live in the city. We have trains that come past on a regular. So yeah, guys, this is the Splashdrone 4. I'm going to pan down, let you see how the wind is blowing on the trees and everything. So you see, we get getting really nice wind gusts up there. And as you see, that camera gimbal is rock steady. It is rock steady. We're up 64 meters, almost 65 meters in the air. As you see, I got good, perfect line of sight. So, gonna swing her around again. Let you get another shot of downtown Chicago. Let's go up a little bit, boy. Let's play with the wind. Let's see what the wind does. I'm going to take it up to about 100 meters. All right, now that's at 100 meters, guys. I mean, with wind gusts, we're flying in the rain. That's looking pretty good to me. You guys with the Phantoms want to fly in this? You know, so I can imagine taking a bait out over some choppy water. This should hold pretty good. Let's yaw around and just get another good shot of United Center. And there we go. Come pan down. Yeah, we're gonna see if it do any bouncing or anything. It's just holding pretty good. So, you know, I just wanted to let you see how this flies in the rain. You know, let you get some, we got a nice little wind gust. So, this is MrBoJack. This is for the love of the drone. I hope you guys enjoyed this little flight. Peace.